Hi there, this video shows you how to add a video to a gallery page. Here I've made a really quick example of a gallery page. I've got 5 videos added already and I just want to add one more so that my rows match top and bottom. The first thing I can do is come up to my gallery page and click on Edit Page, or I can come up to Edit Page Content here at the top. From here we select Add Item and then come down to Video. This is where we can add our URL for a YouTube or Vimeo video. Over in my Vimeo account, I've got a video selected already, and I just need to copy the full URL. And the process would be exactly the same in YouTube. And just be sure you are copying a video-specific URL and not a URL to your general profile. Back into my page, paste, and then add video. Before I save changes, in this case I want my new video to be the first video on my page, and I can change the order by clicking, dragging, and dropping into a new position. You can also see that when I hover over the video we have some options to open the video in its player, to change the URL, or to delete the video. Below I've got an option to click and add a caption. If I select this text with my cursor, I've also got options to bold, italicize, change the text type, hyperlink, or convert into a bullet point. I'm going to come up to Save Changes and then click to view my live site. Perfect. If you have any further questions about adding videos to your gallery pages, you can reach out through the live chat in the bottom right hand corner of your dashboard, or you can email us at info@format.com.